Hello, Smart English family. Welcome back to another calming and powerful learning session. I am Aarav.
And I'm Annanya. And today we're helping you with something almost every learner struggles with pronunciation.
Most people feel nervous, embarrassed, or stressed about sounding wrong.
But pronunciation doesn't have to be stressful at all. Today, we'll show you how to improve it naturally, gently, and confidently without pressure.
So, sit back, relax, breathe. This episode will remove your pronunciation fear forever.
Segment 1. Why pronunciation feels hard. 1 minute. Many learners think pronunciation is difficult because they compare themselves to native speakers.
But pronunciation is not about sounding foreign or perfect. It's simply about sounding clear.
Clear English comes from practice, not perfection.
And the truth is, even native speakers speak differently depending on region, accent, mood, or speed.
So today, we stop worrying about sounding perfect. We focus only on sounding comfortable and confident.
Segment 2. Slow down and relax. 1.5 minutes.
Let's start with the easiest method, slow speaking.
Most learners rush when they speak because they want to sound fluent.
But rushing creates wrong sounds, unclear words, and unnecessary stress.
Speak slowly, calmly, and with intention. Say, I am learning English. Now say it slower. I am learning English.
Feel the words. Let your mouth adjust. Let your tongue move freely.
Slow speaking improves pronunciation faster than any complicated technique.
Segment 3. Shadowing technique. 2 minutes.
The next technique is extremely powerful, shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating immediately, like a shadow following a person.
Choose simple content, short YouTube clips, podcast lines, movie dialogues, audiobooks.
For example, if the speaker says, I'm going to the market, you repeat right after them, I'm going to the market.
You don't need to copy the accent exactly, just copy the rhythm, tone, and pause.
This builds natural pronunciation faster than any complicated technique because you are not thinking, you are simply following. Segment 4. Mouth movement awareness. 1.5 minutes.
Pronunciation is physical. Your lips, tongue, jaw all work together.
English has sounds that your native language might not have, so don't feel bad if some words feel awkward at first.
Practice in the mirror. Watch your mouth shape.
For example, V, teeth on the lip. TH, tongue between teeth. R, round lips. L, tongue touches roof of the mouth.
When you know how a sound is made, pronunciation becomes easier instantly.
Segment 5. Stress, rhythm, and pauses. 1.5 minutes. English is not only about sounds, it is also about rhythm.
Rhythm means which word you stress, how long you pause, and how the tone rises or falls.
For example, I didn't say he took the money. Stress on say changes the meaning.
Listen to English speakers. You'll notice they don't pronounce every word perfectly, but their rhythm is natural.
So don't chase perfect sound, chase natural flow.
Segment 6. Chunk pronunciation. 1 minute.
Instead of pronouncing every word separately, speak in chunks.
For example, not what are you doing, but what are you doing?
This is how real English sounds.
Chunks make pronunciation easy and smoother.
Segment 7. Read aloud daily. 1 minute.
Just 5 minutes of reading aloud daily improves pronunciation dramatically.
Choose anything news, stories, fiction, dialogues.
Don't focus on mistakes. Focus on sound, flow, and clarity.
Reading aloud trains your mouth muscles like a workout.
So, Smart English family, pronunciation doesn't require stress.
Slow down, shadow, read aloud, feel the sounds, and enjoy the process.
You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound clear and confident.
This is Ananya.
And this is Arav. See you in the next calm and powerful episode of Smart English. Bye bye.